Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to create the personalization option using Magento API. First we have to generate an admin access token. Enter the admin username and password. If your username and password are correct, the API will return the token in the response section. Now, we are ready to create the personalization option. Create a new post with this endpoint. Copy and paste the token in the authorization section as the bearer token. In the body section, enter the code. I will leave the sample codes and all endpoints in the description. Now let's check the personalization option on the admin dashboard. Go to Catalog and choose Products. Search and click on the Hollister Backyard Sweatshirt Simple product. Then expand the Customizable Options section. As you can see, the personalization option is successfully created. Hexa, connecting applications, automating processes.